here today in southwestern Colorado, in between Silverton and Ouray, exploring the history of mining in Colorado and really what it's done to the water out here. It is gross. Mining is a critical aspect of modern day life. Gold, silver, minerals, things that make up the electronics that we use, the parts that we have for our cooling devices, the wire in your house. It's all really important. But it's also important to see the environmental impacts of that mining. And this place, Red Mountain Creek, is one of them. Ew. I wouldn't drink this water. I don't even think I would filter this water and then drink it.